Images of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's mock-up unit were posted on Weibo on Friday by tipster Ice Universe. Renders of the device have already revealed one change from the Galaxy Z Flip 4 of last year. The flash unit on the rear camera island is moved from directly underneath the three cameras to a location off the camera island to the right of the first camera, as seen in the renders and the dummy unit. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 should be able to fully close without leaving an unseen gap between the two sides thanks to the model's new water drop notch. While the most recent model of the clamshell foldable also debuts a water drop notch that is supposed to allow the phone to close completely flat, that wasn't the case with the Flip 5 dummy. Perhaps by the time the phone is released next month, that will change. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 didn't appear to have a gap when it was closed in any other images of the dummy units, but a now-deleted picture leaked by Amit Korter showed that it did. While the crease might be somewhat lessened by the new hinge, it is also anticipated that the hinge will lessen the crease that appears on the internal screen. It won't be much better, as the Fold 5 dummy unit suggests. We informed you last month that Samsung employees weren't happy with the Galaxy Z Fold 5's lack of any noteworthy new design changes. As a result, one employee told Ice Universe that the Galaxy Z Fold 4 shouldn't even be called that, making reference to the way Apple used to create and release iPhone models that were harmed. We are getting closer to the July 26th unveiling of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 along with the Galaxy Z Flip 5, the Galaxy Watch 6, the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, and the Galaxy Tab S9 tablet series after all of the previous renders, benchmark tests, rumors, and leaks. Additionally, a pre-order bonus is available when you reserve a Galaxy Z Fold 5. Pre-orders for the Galaxy Z Fold 5 can now be made at Samsung. Those who act right away will receive $50 off any additional pre-order offers that Samsung announces on July 26th when the Z Fold 5 is unveiled. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.